Today, we're going to be taking my flooded Audi R8 that's been imported from Panama and only has 5,000 original miles to CARMAX to get an appraisal. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram at BYBTim. Read the bio for a surprise.
Before we make our way down to CARMAX, we need to get the car dialed in to make sure we get top dollar out of this unicorn R8. We're going to start off by fixing the door lock, and in order to do that, we need to remove the door panel. Ooh, look at this. That looks like an aftermarket speaker. So that would make sense why they tore this entire thing apart. Maybe put some speakers in, reupholster it. To take off the door panel is pretty simple. You either Google or search yourself to find where all the hidden screws are. Once you found them all, you just gotta give it a good yank and it'll come right off.
I have just removed this cover and take a look at what I have found. Boom, look at that, boom. It's not letting it actually pull that cable because the blue casing or whatever you want to call it on the cable is ripped, so it doesn't actually pull the cable. That was a much easier fix than I thought. Take a look at these door panels. They were definitely reupholstered. That does not look like original upholstery all over here. But I mean, well, not the best quality. I am happy we got some aftermarket speakers though. You guys remember the last episode I bought this box of parts? Well, coincidentally, we have the part we need. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this thing and hopefully that manual key lock works and I'll be a happy camper. The next thing we got to figure out why the electronical part of the key lock doesn't work.
Well, it ain't always the way you want it to be, right?
So it turns out that the inside mechanism of this one is broken. The outside mechanism of this one is broken. I'm gonna try to make one out of two. Check that out. The bird just chilling there. I'm trying to work on my R8. Yo!
Nothing better than a little bit of home DIY, and since I've never done this before, I wanted to challenge myself and see if I can really make this work. I took apart both mechanisms and realized that it's actually quite a simple system. Once I got all the working components into one lock mechanism, I greased everything up and put it together to get this beautiful result.
Nothing like a successful DIY. Look at this. Unlocked, locked. This one here, I connected to the door panel and these two buttons here, they weren't working. And then I went to check this pigtail connection and it was just loose and unconnected. So I plugged it in and everything works. Time to reassemble this beast.
I feel like I got away with a bank robbery. It was so easy to get everything fixed. We now need to clean the front up before reassembling the compartment because I'm that guy that cleans up things that are not even seen. It's looking much better. Next was to slide the front in and all the trim pieces covering it to make it have a beautiful complete look. And now the last thing we gotta do before heading off to CARMAX is put on the ECU covers that are in the engine bay and give it just a little bit of a detail, that way it has a perfect curb appeal. I mean, we are trying to get top dollar at the end of the day, right?
Trying to get top dollar for this bad boy. You know? We're about to sell it. We're about to sell it. Every dollar saved is every dollar made. With everything going up in price astronomically right now, I want to help you guys save some money just like me and my wife do every single month. So listen up. Bro, I think I'm lost. Everybody has a phone nowadays and living without your phone is near impossible. So that's why I want to give an opportunity to my viewers to save a lot of money. You see, many people are paying $50, $60, $70 a month for their phone bill, but you can be paying half that. So I want to give a huge shout out to Mint Mobile for partnering with us on today's video. Me and my wife, we've switched to Mint Mobile and we're saving near $40 every single month without compromising any quality. And like I said earlier, every dollar saved is every dollar earned. Hey bro, did you hear that Mint Mobile has premium wireless starting at only 15 bucks a month? Yeah, dude, 15 bucks a month. That's literally nothing. Mint Mobile also has many plans to fit your specific need and budget. My budget's not too high right now. I got 3 RS7s. Yeah, dude. All the plans come with unlimited talk and text, nationwide coverage, and even hotspot. My favorite part is how simple it is to switch to Mint Mobile. You can get an eSIM right now, get your service transferred, and start saving money. Or if you don't have an eSIM, you can get a physical card shipped to your house in a matter of days. The way Mint Mobile is able to do this so cheap without compromising any quality is because they don't have any brick and mortar buildings. Everything is done online, and if you ask me, that's a double win. I'm not sure the last time I went to T-Mobile or like a physical store. So with all that being said, I want you guys to save some money, and by using my link mintmobile.com/backyard, you can get the best deals Mint Mobile is offering right now, or by scanning this QR code right here. On top of all that, I want to personally gift a 6-month subscription to anybody that signs up to Mint Mobile using my link. And in my Instagram subscription, you can potentially win this RS7 here that I'm building. And by the way, this is just a courtesy from me. It has nothing to do with Mint Mobile's deal. Do not wait. Go save yourself some money. Use my link right here. And if you do sign up, DM me on Instagram at BYBTim, and I'll get you those 6 months for free. Let's get back to the video. So we are officially on our way to CARMAX. Engine's running good. There's no issues with the car, no lights, 5,953 miles. It is that time where we need to make a guesstimate how much we think CARMAX is gonna pay for the car. How much do you think CARMAX is paying?
Wouldn't get more than 32 for it.
32K? Dang, put me down like that. So I paid 34, as you guys know. The car was quote unquote flooded, imported from Panama, but it has ridiculously low miles. So I think it's worth around 65K if I were to sell it. So I'm hoping CARMAX gives me around 42 for it, because I mean, if they're making like 20K off the car, that's good money for CARMAX. At least it sounds like it. I want you guys to pause the video right now, go in the comment section and comment what you guys think CARMAX will pay for it, and we'll see who's the closest. Bro, honestly, I don't know why I'm actually low-key kind of excited. I'm very deadly curious on what they're gonna give me for this car. We're gonna do a launch, ready? Into the Camry. I mean, you know it's decent, right? CARMAX. I don't know why, it got my heart skipping a little bit. Oh, we got CARMAX and we got AutoMax. So if CARMAX don't give us a good enough bid, we're gonna go to AutoMax. And yeah, I mean, hopefully it's worth something, you know?
Yeah. How long have you had it for?
A couple of months. I just moved down here not too long ago.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I mean, I like it and everything, but it's just dealer plates. I got the title and everything, it's in my name.
So it's got to be registered to you before we will buy the vehicle.
You know, like everything's in my name. So like all the paperwork, so that's my name. On the title, it's all filled out into my name. I'm just debating, because if I get a decent, you know, if I get a decent appraisal for it, then I will register and sell it.
Yeah, that makes sense. The other thing is we won't buy a car until it's been titled to you for at least 30 days.
Okay, can I get an appraisal though? How come?
Yeah, we don't do that. Yeah, if we can't buy the car, we're not going to do the appraisal.
So I can't get an appraisal at all?
Correct.
Interesting. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, I guess. Well, what do you guys? How do you guys base off of what's it called, valuation, or how would it go?
For us, we don't retail these cars, so we're going to sell at an auction. We don't send cars anywhere. CARMAX runs their own auctions for other dealers only. Whatever we feel we're going to get for it when we auction it off is the offer that we would be making to you.
Okay. Do you have a ballpark of what you think? So what would happen in an event if you didn't see the temp tag? Would you still do a appraisal on it? Like I've seen people get appraised their cars without that title in their name. You know.
Well, it wouldn't do you any good.
I just want to get an appraisal, because I don't. The thing is this. The problem is I don't know what this is worth.
Yeah.
It has 6,000 miles, like actual 6,000 miles for 2010. That's like stupid low. So I want to see what it's worth, because if I were to even sell it, am I posting it for 60,000 or am I posting it for 100,000? Right?
Gotcha.
So that's my real question. My real question is not do I sell it, do I this? Who knows? You know. I don't know how to value this thing. I can't find a similar competitor or anything. 6,000 miles.
Yeah.
So the guy was just not willing to give me an estimate whatsoever. He was just making up excuses for any question I asked. It just seems like he was having a bad day. So, you know, we're going to try another CARMAX.
Apparently he thought I was going to sell the car on the spot and I was desperate for money, because he didn't want to give me no estimate. I have no idea. The car is on a temp tag. You know, it's all fully legal to drive. Everything's on a temp tag. The title is technically in my name. It's in my broker's name, the dealership, but it's in my name. Like, they transferred it to me. I can go right now and get a Florida what's it called, plate but you know, I don't know why he was not willing to give me a estimate. I just want to see what this thing is worth, and I wasn't planning to sell it to CarMax unless they gave me like 65K. But I don't know, that guy just seemed off. We're gonna go to another CarMax right now, and hopefully we run into somebody that's understanding and someone just fun and able to get a quote, because that was boring. All right, so we've officially done it. This guy here was a legit dude, and he'll appraise my car. Everything went through. I gave him the keys. Now we just gotta wait about 45 minutes to about an hour, get some food, and come back and see what this thing is worth. Dude, it looks so sick. Look at that, woo! My goodness. So basically so just because it's in kilometers, that's the only reason. Well, that kind of sucks. Couldn't get it appraised because it's in kilometers, but you know what? That's more of a valid excuse than not getting it appraised because I don't have the title in my name. So that sucks. Let me know down below in the comment section what you guys think this 5,000 mile R8 is worth. You know, this R8 is not worth anything apparently, so we gotta take it to the real track. Those cows. Gotta hit traction control off. It's supposed to be like that. On my Instagram, I did a $500 cash giveaway with my Instagram subscribers, and Daniel actually won the $500, and he told me to donate it on basically his behalf. Basically do whatever I want with that money, and I wanted to give it out to a couple homeless people that look to be in need. Here we have $500 cash, and we are gonna give this away and see people's reactions. It's Lamborghini Urus. So I'm gonna grab 200 bucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's two people right there sitting. I'm just gonna give them 100 bucks each. Excuse me? Hey guys. Hey, I'm just driving around and giving out money to people, just doing a good thing. Is it cool if I give you guys 100 bucks each?
We appreciate that.
Absolutely. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you go.
Hallelujah. Throw that.
Absolutely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's for you.
Right, thank you.
God bless you guys.
Have you.
Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Sir, how much is the most someone has given you? How much? $3 or $4. Can I bless you with 100? Here you go. You don't need to wash my window, nothing. God bless you. Yeah, get something to eat for sure. He said the most someone's blessed him with was $3, $4. Huge shout out to Daniel, the person that allowed me to donate this money. And huge shout out to all the subscribers. You guys should feel really good about yourself right now, because that was a heartfelt moment. I mean, I really saw his eyes just go, I can go get myself something to eat now. I just want to give him more now. So he's going to get some eat now. Unlocking his bike. See, I like that. I like the fact that he's hardworking. He's out there wiping people's windows, you know. He's not really asking for anything. Yeah. All right, we got 2 more. Close your ear. I just had to get in front of him, you know. Hey, can I bless you with $100?
Wonderful,
Huh?
that'd be wonderful.
Here you go. $100. God bless you.
May God bless you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You want to, that'd be great, man.
Absolutely.
Man.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I definitely, I pray for you to have it come back tenfold, and may God keep you on the right path to heaven eventually, after you live the rest of your
Thank
life.
you. God bless you,
man.
brother.
Take it easy, man.
You too. Well, that is all 500. We have gave all that away. That felt very good. Once again, shout out to everyone that could make this possible. Well, if you guys enjoyed that video, be sure to smash that subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment, and if you guys did not get the memo in the beginning of the video, I am giving away this Audi RS7. We have the bumper right here. It's just about finished. All you gotta do is subscribe to my Instagram at BYBTim, and you're entered to win. See you guys on the next one. Peace.